Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm just going to be taking you guys along with me through the process of taking out my locks. So yes, finally I am taking out my locks. I have had my locks in for about 2.5 years now, and I just feel that it's time to take it out. I'm just tired of it, and I feel like I want my face to look different. So this video is all about me taking my locks out. So what I'm using is I'm just using a long tail comb, and I'm just going through each lock and I'm just taking each one out. Instead of cutting the locks, I decided to go in and just take each one out to see if I can retain some of my hair and just see how I can work with it. So I think it took me about 2 weeks to completely take my locks out, and it was just a really tiring process because I had to stop a couple of times because I went to work and then I had other things to do. So it wasn't like I just sat down and took the whole hair out in like one sitting, and I did it alone because it was very painful, so I didn't want anybody touching it, and my hair was really matted. So taking out each one took me more than 10 minutes just to take out one. So it really took me a long time. I would show you guys how much hair I lost after everything at the end of this video. So how much hair I lost taking it out, combing it, the process of like conditioning the hair and whatnot. I can't lie, combing this hair was a struggle. It was really painful. Like, I wish I had just cut this hair right from the beginning instead of going through this whole process. It was really painful. I had to take my time and comb it in sections to make it easier, and it was very painful. So I went ahead and I just tried to comb it in different sections before combing the whole hair together. And even as I was combing the hair, it was still breaking and falling out. Like, my whole bathroom was just filled with hair and hair. It was just so painful to watch. combing it, this is the length of my hair. Like looking at my hair now, I just want to cry because my hair used to be a lot longer than this. So I decided to do a deep conditioning process that I saw on YouTube, and I felt that it was going to help me make the hair softer. So I just used some ingredients that I had in my house, like eggs, avocado, extra virgin olive oil, and I just blended all of them together, and then I just applied it on my hair because I felt that it was just going to help my hair, like give my hair some protein and just make my hair softer to manage. After I was done applying all that mixture concoction on my hair, I decided to tie my hair down and just leave it overnight just to let it bake, or just to let it get deep conditioned. So I tied it with a plastic bag first, and then I put a scarf over it, and then I put a bonnet over that too. You can see my husband's hand trying to help me tie the hair because it was I don't know, it was just, I was tired at this point. And I'm just gonna tell you guys, I didn't record it, but after I was done with everything and I washed my hair off, I just sat down and I had my husband just cut my hair. And at this point, I'm just starting growing my hair from scratch. That's about it for this video, guys. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and of course remember to turn on your notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. Remember to share this video with your friends, your families, your lovers, your enemies, and give this video a thumbs up. And please also remember to leave me a comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.